This is Chicago's very own WGN Evening News at 4.
4 people have been killed when multiple tornadoes tore through the western part of Texas last night. Meteorologists say a line of severe storms produced a rare combination of tornadoes, hurricane-force winds, and softball-sized hail. The worst damage happened in the small town of Matador. That's where the deaths occurred. At least 10 others injured when that tornado hit, flattening buildings and snapping power lines in half. One resident had to be rescued after taking shelter in his own cellar.
Go down in the cellar, and then you hear the train roaring, all that, house falling apart, and I was stuck down there. 5 minutes after it's gone, I try to push up on the door, nothing. But I made some calls. Luckily, our service was on, otherwise I'd still be down there.
Anthony Boyd says rescuers had to use a backhoe to get him out. It took an hour and a half. The tornado blew his truck away, and it is still missing.